The unit will attach to anything, primarily with a 50 kilogram pull force magnet on the back. We can use carabiner and lanyard system for angles over 45 degrees, a sucker bracket which is used in conjunction with the super bracket, which can attach to glass and anything non-metallic like the side of a train or a heavy goods vehicle. A Paratech rescue strut bracket that can obviously attach to rescue struts, Paratech gold and grey. A bracket that will attach to a ratchet strap, and also the same bracket that can be used as a nail plate to monitor your wood shoring, and that can then be attached to the carabiner for the angles, as I explained before, over 45 degrees. To find out more, go to wasprescue.com or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.